look absolutely beautiful, dear.
Thank you.
Oh man, holy cow! You look absolutely beautiful.
Thank you. You look handsome.
Oh, great. She wrote like a book. Kevin, I can't believe this day has come. There was a while in my life that I didn't think I would ever get married. But that all changed when I met you. You were more than I could ever ask for in a husband. You calm me down when I get stressed like no one can. You are my rock on all the ups and downs life has already thrown at us. Every day with you is better than the last.
At the rehearsal last night, the judge is like, now how do you say your last name? Like Martine? And I was like, no, it's Martin. I've never had an issue with that. He's like, oh, well, he put an E at the end of it. So Kevin, as he like filled in the details for the script, he put an E at the end of Martin. So the judge was like, you can't even spell her name? He's like, that's okay, that doesn't matter after tomorrow. I was like, thanks, Kevin. Dear Laura, it seems like a lifetime ago that I saw that beautiful smile for the first time or heard that wonderful laugh. But from that day, you have been the best part of my life. I'm truly the luckiest guy in the world because I get to spend the rest of my life with you, and that is something I want the whole world to know. Laura Martin, you are the love of my life. I don't know what I did to get so lucky, but I know I don't deserve you. I promise to cherish and appreciate everything you do for me. As I look to the future, I am so happy that I will have the honor to spend the rest of my life with you. Thank you for choosing me with all my heart, Kevin.
You have and always will be my rock. I love you more than words can ever say. And I can't wait to be your wife and spend my entire life with you. Thanks for making my dreams a reality. Now let's get hitched. Heart, Laura. It's very nice. Just so you know, there's a lot of errors on there. I just think that's important. Mine doesn't have any. I just think that should be in there. Yeah, no errors. And mine's sealed with wax. This wasn't.
You fell in love by chance, but you are here today because you are making a choice. You are choosing to spend the rest of your lives together. You've chosen to be with someone who makes you better, makes you smile, and makes every day better merely because you are together. You're about to make a promise to each other, to take care of each other, to stand up for one another, and to find true happiness together.
You showed me worlds I never knew. You turned my darkness into blue. Now I'm feeling 10 feet tall. Since you said you'd be my all. And you're magical. You steal the show, my heart aglow. I cannot look away. And you're beautiful, the way you move. I'm lost in you. My heart is here to stay.
Laura, I give you this ring.
Kevin, I give you this ring
It's a symbol of my devotion.
as a symbol of my devotion
Absolute love for you.
and love for you.
For as Kevin and Laura have pledged to love, honor, and cherish one another, now therefore, by the power and authority vested in me and pursuant to the laws of the state of New York, I pronounce them to be husband and wife. Kevin, you may kiss your bride.
I could sing 1,000 songs.